Hello guys, and welcome back to another Royal High video. Today, well, if you see me like not moving, that's because my computer is really laggy. And I'm at the new new Royal High, and it's perfect here. So I can record here. This is like where my recording studio is. So I'm just gonna go and why won't they let me in? It's like so weird. So I'm gonna fly. I don't like the flying poses anyway. Why can't I fly up? Huh. Ugh. So, sorry for background noises. It's just people. Yeah. Why can't I get in? It's 12:20 a.m. Look how much I have on my diamonds. I've been saving up for a lot of stuff. I don't know why I've been saving up. I don't know why I said a lot of stuff, because I just want to have the most and the most. So I really Royal High perks. Get more diamonds, of course. I need 22. It's 1:26 in the morning, and I'm really chill right now. No one's going for these big giant diamonds. I mean, I love big giant diamonds. I mean, look how much they give you. Ugh. Nobody knows them. So if you're on this server, my name is, if you want to be on here with me, my name is Layla, and I will be in different outfits, but I'll have the same exact hair, and the tail, and also the wings, always. So, yeah, I need to get my dorm? I mean, a dorm. Ugh, I already got my dorm. I need to get, it's clear 44 out. It's like perfect weather. Perfect weather. I'm gonna go ahead and run. So there's this new update where if you enter, you'll see a carriage. That's what I always go on here. This is a wedding thing or something? What is this? How did I get this cupcake liner anyway? Just gonna do this. Ooh, you can like go for them. Rise and shine, yeah, blah blah blah. Everybody's almost up. This is where all the drama has been lately. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. So, yeah. And if you're like mad at me for... Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? At least I'm back here. So yeah, so this is what the carriage looks like. Ooh, just wait. Just wanna get that. Yeah.
Oh no.
You guys, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So, yeah, sorry about the noises. I told everybody to be quiet. Well, I didn't tell them I was making a video, but I said be quiet. Well, actually, I didn't say anything. That's probably why they're being loud. So, anyway, oh, breakfast. Breakfast. Ooh. Ashley doesn't have any hair, but she's really cute. Did I go? Duh. Why is this guy saying that? Ah. I like to hide from people. Sorry if there's any noise. I'm gonna have to take that out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell them to be quiet. Nightmare. I wouldn't call it weird, I'd call it insane. Hi, nightmare. Well, that's cool. They have new poses? Do they have new poses? Mood. It's the mood. Bravo. Jump. Dead. Wave. Let's see. Twirl. Sorry about the noise. I'm really sorry about that. I don't have my recipe book. Oh no, I just really need to meditate. What's your mood? My new mood is kind of angry right now. I'm also kind of sad, so if you ask me what my mood is, I would just say, tell me what your mood is first, and then they tell me what their mood is, and then I'll be like, okay. And I just walk away. Have you ever met me in person? Yeah. Oh. Might mess up at PE. I've tried. Sorry. If you guys are like really bored right now, just answer me in the comments down below, and I will. And I will be right with you. So I'm gonna, okay, bye everybody. I hope you had a great day. I'm sorry about the noise. My family's just being a little too high. And just remember to comment down below and see how you like my videos. Bye!